YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we're going to unbox this. This is a fake Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. This is a synth reflective. Style number is FV5666. Colorway is synth. Original retail price on this was like $220. It was dropped on June 21st, 2019. Currently with this size 9.5 on StockX is selling for $1,247. Plus you gotta pay like $13.99 or $13.95 for shipping fee. So here are some of the lower asking price for size 8, and then for size 5.5, the highest bid is $1,764. Click on the size, and then here are some of the current resale price right now, or asking price. Wow, look at size 5.5 is $2,698. 4 is $2,499. It's got size 6.5. Wow. So you got some of these sizes are in bid right now. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So it seems I always wrap in this plastic paper, plastic bag. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys 360 at the box real quick. You always got this boost. Got the 350s on top. Got a boost over here again. Got the Yeezy Boost made by Adidas. Adidas.com/Kanyan. Kanyan. So nothing on the bottom. Let's go ahead and check out the size label. So as you can see, the Adidas is it's not right in the center. It's close to the right hand side. You can tell right away this is the wrong style number. I ordered size 9.5, so they screwed up my order. US size 9.5, not UK 9.5, so we're gonna have a problem. And then this one says made in Vietnam. Rose gold, and right here is supposed to be have a UPC number instead of this EAN number. So let's go ahead and open this up. And then they always give you this fake Foot Locker receipt. So this time I got the keychain with the pink. And you always get this tissue paper or wax paper. This is too shiny. Yeah, so the boost on this 3 line, it is pretty bad. So you got this translucent right here, plastic translucent on this stripe. And as you can see, the threading is coming off. But it comes with this tag. Go and then check on this insole. As you can see, you got too much gap right here. So I believe this one probably a smaller one. And then there's no YH dash, whatever the size. Supposed to get the YH dash 0010. And this one, the Adidas logo, you're not supposed to have this logo. You're supposed to have the 3 leaves instead of this slanted 3 stripe. And it says Adidas, and you got the Adidas logo and then Yeezy. Oh my god, and then there's a pink or like a purplish right there. And you got the translucent right here. Anyway, well, I'm going to turn on the flash and then we're going to see if this is reflective or not, okay? Alright, so the flash is on. So yeah, it is reflective. As you can see on the fabric, on the upper knit material, and then on the lace, and also on the 3 stripe right here by the heel cup, on the rear heel tab. So let's go and then check out the inner label. And then the shoes is made in Vietnam. And then, by the way, there's no horseshoes right there. Normally you get like a upside down U right there, but there's none. Got the Adidas logo right here. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. Be sure to stay tuned for the try-on feed. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.